The first step is setting up the blynk server. Is both the computer, local server, both the computer and the phone are on the same network. Okay, so let's start with that. I'm going to be using a network called Connectify. This is offline, and it's just a router, which means this can be transported anywhere. But it can be used. We can use the proper blynk server with proper internet. Okay, once this is online, and both of them are connected to the same network, we'll open up this bash script called server.bat. And that will start the server on the PC. But we have to make sure the IP address of the PC is constant, because they connect to a specific IP address and they're looking for that IP address. So there we go, we've connected. Now first of all, we should look at the IP address. And what I'm looking for is... that's not right. So already you would have a problem with this, because they're supposed to connect to 1.100. That means this wouldn't work. The reason for this, you can see on the router page, is two Android devices taking up my IP address of 100. And my DHCP actually got forgotten when I restarted the router, when I left it powered off for a while. So that needs to be fixed. A DHCP reservation was made for the computer that I'm using to the IP address of 100. The router was then restarted, and we can look at the IP address now, and it is 0.100. That means the blynk server can now work, and all the devices, such as these, will now connect to the correct IP address. So once you've got that, and both the phone and the computer are on the same network, you go to the desktop, and you open up the server.batch script. This turns on the server, and then you say your data might be lost, and then here it says all the blynk server started successfully, which means it's working now. And you can prove this actually by going to this IP address 127.0.0.1 colon this /admin. That's all you need. It tells me that my certificates are up to date. That's fine. Okay, so here we're in. And soon we'll see, however, how many CPUs are connected to the device. Right now, none of them are connected. So the next thing you need to do is make sure that the blynk app on the phone is connected to the right server, because that's also running from my PC. So if we go here, we can slide here, we can see that it's detected, it's launched a server and it's connected to the server because it's launched all of this. And this is used to control the different Arduinos and different devices through the blynk protocol, which uses MQTT. The spoon is turned on, and on the computer you can see connected to blynk server. And this is the serial monitor, but it doesn't have to be. And on the phone you can see the battery voltage, which means it still needs a bit of charging. And you can press the different buttons, such for example this one vibrates the spoon, tests the vibration motor. And this one turns on the light and flashes. And this one does both. And this starts the data logging to the SD card, and this stops the data logging. And as you can see, it's data logging of the accelerometer data. Similar to this, but all devices can be controlled by this app when they connect to the network.